Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for watching. We decided to go out fishing today on a Tuesday at Lake Camanche on the South Shore Pond. They released trout on Friday and they're supposed to be like 1,200 pounds. We were out here on Tuesday, which is like 4 days later. There wasn't that many people. We were fishing in the morning and it was slow until like around maybe 10. Then we started to get bites. I caught two fish on a Cinco wacky rig style. My wife caught one on power bait. Just when they were starting to bite, the wind picked up. We couldn't really fish anymore. Every time we cast, it was just blowing it back and blowing it everywhere. So decided to leave and call it a day. And we got 3 fish and we left around noon. This is how it is when you're fishing 4 days after they release fish, you know. I mean, if you come here the day when they release or the day after, it's ridiculous fun, you know. You're constantly catching fish. But 4 days later, this is just how it is. Still fun out here and enjoying the day. So yeah, enjoying the weather and, you know. All right, enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Later, guys.
Haas his first fish of the day.
Oh. Yeah. I see.
Got it on the net.
I guess there is fish out here.
Show me your beautiful fish. Let me hold it. Right there, first fish of today. Had to be in a feeding rack.
I should have used the rod a long time ago. Fish on. Come on. Don't tighten your drag too tight. Okay, you got it. Oh yeah. Good job.
My first fish?
Good job. Oh yeah. Just power bait on this one. Yeah.
My first fish of the day.
Good job, hon.
Pretty fish. Gotta be the Phoenix, Paul. Oh, that's a beautiful jump.
That's the last one.
Second fish.
Better than the last one. You're not ready.
Don't force it.
I'm not. Here you go, huh? There you go. Fish 2 of the day.